A short radio message sent into space to celebrate the remodeling of the Arecibo radio telescope in Puerto Rico in 1974. It was aimed at the globular star cluster M13, about 25,000 light-years from Earth. M13 was chosen because it was the right size and was in the sky at the right time and in place for the ceremony. Dr. Frank Drake, then at Cornell University, wrote the message with help from Carl Sagan, among others. The message was in 7 parts which showed numbers. The atomic numbers of the elements hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus which make up deoxyribonucleic acid DNA. The formulas for the sugars and bases in the nucleotides of DNA. A graphic representation of the double helix structure of DNA. A figure of a human the size of an average man and the human population of Earth. The Solar System. The Arecibo Observatory and the diameter of the transmitting antenna dish. The message consisted of 1,679 binary digits, about 210 bytes. It was transmitted at a frequency of 2,380 MHz and modulated by shifting the frequency by 10 Hz, with a power of 1000 kV. The ones and zeros were transmitted by frequency shifting at the rate of 10 bits per second. The total broadcast was less than 3 minutes. The cardinality of 1679 was chosen because it is a semi-prime. It can be arranged as a rectangle of 73 rows by 23 columns. The Arecibo answer is a crop circle that is purported to be a response to the Arecibo message. It appeared in 2001 near the Jill Bolton Radio Telescope in Hampshire, UK. Despite the fact crop circles are known to be hoaxes, people still believe that this is key evidence of extraterrestrial presence on Earth.